Good day to everyone. Today we'll see the types of regression testing, that is unit regression testing, regional regression testing and full regression testing. First is unit regression testing. In this unit regression testing, we will be testing only the modified feature or only the changes which we have done in the software. This type of testing it is called as unit regression testing. Whenever the development team sends the build one for testing, we'll start testing the build one. In that, we'll start testing name, address, phone number, submit, and cancel button. Now we'll first enter the details in the text field and we'll click on submit button. Now when we clicked on the submit button, we observed that the submit button is not working. So we'll identify this defect, we'll report it back to the developer and we'll send back the build one to the developer to fix it. Now the development team, they will fix the defect and they will give us a new build, that is build 2 for testing. As a test engineer, we are going to test only the modified feature first in order to make sure that the bug which we had raised, it has been really fixed or not. Here we will not be testing the text fields because the fixing of defect in the submit button, it will not impact on the text fields. So this is how unit regression testing is done. Now we'll see another type of testing, that is regional regression testing. Testing the changes that has been done by the developer due to the bug fixing and also testing the impacted regions is called as regional regression testing. Initially, when a developer starts developing the application, he'll first develop module 1 or build 1 and he will give it to the test engineer to test it. Now as a test engineer, we'll start testing the module 1. By the time we finish the testing the module 1, the developer, he would have built another module by adding one more feature. Now he'll give us for testing. Now we'll start testing the application and we'll also do the integration testing here. That is, we'll check the data flow between module 1 and module 2 is working fine or not. Then the developer, he will give module 3 by adding one more feature. Now again we will do this integration testing. After that, the developer, he will give module 4 by adding one more feature. Now when we are testing the module 4, we'll identify a defect and we'll report it back to the developer. In this application, there is a dependency between the modules. That is, there is a dependency in module 4 and module 3 and module 3 and module 1. These modules, they are interconnected to each other. Hence, if we make any changes in module 4, this will make an impact on module 3 and module 1. Since we have identified a defect or a bug in module 4, now the developer, he'll fix the defect and he'll give another build, that is build 5 for testing. As a test engineer, we'll first start testing the changes that has been done to fix the defect in the module 4. And also we should check the impact regions, that is module 3 and module 1. This type of testing, it is called as regional regression testing. Next is full regression testing. Testing the changes in the application along with all the remaining features, it is called as full regression testing. Now let's see an example for full regression testing. When we develop an application, we develop the features like login, logout feature, add to cart, order summary, profile, product list. Like this, we develop so many features. Here, when a testing team, when they find any of the defect in one of the feature, it would be difficult for them to find the impact regions. Now the development team, they will fix the defect. Let us take an example as order summary and they will send it for retesting. These changes, it would have impacted in some other area also. So when I don't know how to identify the impact region, chances are there that we might miss some of the defects or bugs. So irrespective of any changes, we will test the entire application. Testing all the changes or testing all the defects that are fixed along with the remaining features, it is called as full regression testing. Next, we'll see the disadvantages of regression testing. Regression testing, it is done again and again and it becomes a monotonous job. And the efficiency will also drop here. And also we have more text execution here. and there will be no consistency in test execution. In order to overcome these regression problems or regression disadvantages, we go for automation. Automation can only be done for smoke testing and regression testing. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.